Hey YouTube, Matt from Techie Tips here, and today we have the Motorola razr. Oh my gosh, everyone. Oh, look, it's beautiful. Sorry about the reflection, everyone. This is my Galaxy Note 9. It is looking astoundingly beautiful in there. So, let's get started. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, everyone. Look how beautiful it is in there. I don't even know. Like, is that foam? It's like luxurious foam in there. To whoever is watching this, it looks like the inside of a spaceship from Tesla. And then an eyeglass case. Like, you actually get some cool stuff in here. Actually, let's not break it first try. I'm going to set the camera down, everyone, on the luxurious box. Oh, my goodness. Okay. So, it says razr, like the 2005 font. Oh, I mean, just look at this. Look at all the cool stuff. Braided cables. Oh, that is attention to detail right there. And I want to say these are stereo buds. Nice addition, Motorola. Nice addition. A little Type-C dongle for a 3.5mm headphone jack. A manual that no one will read. Shout out to DankPods, everyone. Ooh, it has the flip-out prongs, everyone. The flip-out ones. Then we have the phone itself. The flip phone itself. And I want to say you could actually just use this as a stand. Like, there's no reason not to if you didn't want to. I mean, this is, like, I hate to do this, but it's like a velvet plastic. I mean, you could just store your headphones back there and dock your phone. I mean, maybe someone out there who has some 3D printing skills could Dremel a hole in the back and then 3D print a bracket for the cords to go through to here. I think that would be smart. I don't know, because I haven't 3D printed since high school. Oh man, here's where the fun begins, everyone. Warning, do not apply a screen protector. It will damage the display. Ooh, but they applied the screen protector. Oh, that is the shiniest piece of technology I've ever seen. And I'm going to flip it over. There is a dual display, and everyone's probably going to comment, oh, why did he flip it? Why did he flip it that way? Well, because you got to get the little protector off so you can see everything. Ooh, that's some nice font. Okay, everyone. The moment of truth. Everyone's all like, oh, you can flip it like instantly. Because, oh, I mean, you didn't see the whole thing, but let's actually show you. It's got like a hinge like the original razrs did. Like, that isn't like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, which my friend should review any day now. But the Z Flip, it has like a tiny hinge, and it doesn't like spring open like this one did. This one just straight up was like, bam, and open. I do not know how to turn this on. This has like 5 different buttons. To whoever is like listening, this is the coolest thing I've ever looked at. Also, I don't know how to turn it on. I'll be right back, guys, to see how this turns on. Okay, guys, we're back, and we have a charging logo. And I just figured out, these are volume, that's power. Well, you don't see the button, but it's right there on the top of the top screen. I call it a top screen because it's technically, I don't know how to explain it. There's 2 batteries, there's not 2 screens. Well, there is a second screen on the back. Like, look at that beauty. Look at it. It's just beautiful. I mean, what more could the world ask for other than, I don't know. Maybe a less flippy design? I don't know how. Oh, snap. Turbo power. Turbo power, everyone. Turbo power. So, I'm not sure the exact milliamp hours of everything, but I was told by one tech friend that each battery has about 1200 milliamp hours. So that adds up to about 2400 milliamp hours altogether. I mean, that gives you about like, I don't know, like 5 hours of talk time, maybe normal usage, probably like 90% of the day. Oh, that is the coolest animation, by the way. Props to Moto for that. And before I set it up, I am just going to say I'm going to be doing a review in about a week, and we're going to do a real world test of like Pokemon Go and stuff and how it games, because this channel, that's what we talk about. So, I will get back to you guys in about a week. Thank you everyone for watching. Please leave a like. If you didn't like the video, please leave a comment. Either way, comments are welcome. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe if you can. And thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.